Hey everyone, it's your host, Anna, and today we're making a drink that'll warm your soul. Champurrado Mexicano. This thick, chocolatey goodness is more than just a hot beverage. It's a cultural experience, a taste of Mexican tradition, and a hug in a mug. So grab your aprons, let's get cooking. Ingredients: 4 cups whole milk, 2 ounces piloncillo, unrefined cane sugar cone, or 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 2 3-ounce discs Mexican chocolate. Abuelita is a popular brand. 1 cinnamon stick. 1½ cups warm water. 1/2 cup masa harina, corn flour. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 pinch of salt. Optional toppings: whipped cream, canela molida, ground cinnamon, churros. Instructions: melty goodness. In a medium saucepan, combine milk, piloncillo, or brown sugar, cinnamon stick, and 2 cups of water. Heat over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the piloncillo dissolves and the mixture simmers gently. Chocolate bliss. Break up the Mexican chocolate discs and add them to the simmering milk. Whisk constantly until completely melted and smooth. Remove the cinnamon stick. Masa magic. In a separate bowl, whisk together masa harina and the remaining 1/2 cup of warm water until smooth and free of lumps. This is your masa, atole. Thickening time. Slowly pour the atole into the hot chocolate mixture, whisking continuously to prevent clumping. Keep whisking and bring to a simmer, then reduce heat to low. Flavor fiesta. Add vanilla extract and salt, and simmer for 10–15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until thickened and creamy. Serving up sunshine. Now comes the best part. Pour your steaming champurrado into your favorite mugs. Top with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of canela molida, and maybe even a dunkable churro. It's pure winter wonderland magic in every sip. Tips and tricks. Don't have piloncillo? You can substitute brown sugar, but piloncillo adds a unique depth of flavor. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Add more piloncillo or brown sugar while simmering. For a vegan version, use plant-based milk and chocolate. Leftovers? No problem. Store champurrado in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop. So there you have it, folks. Champurrado Mexicano. A drink that warms your body and heart. Share it with loved ones. Make it a cozy tradition. And remember, a little bit of Mexico goes a long way. Until next time, gracias and buen provecho. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Leave a comment below and let me know how your champurrado turned out. Share this video with your friends and family who love a good hot drink. Hasta luego.